and Mr. Alex Ames, you're on deck.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you to the committee. I have to say that I'm James Wilson. I am a college student at Georgia State University. I'm a product of the public schools in Georgia, and I'm proud of my education. It was good, and it's prepared me for where I am today. And so that's why I'm happy to see a lot of energy is being given to schools in this session. I'm seeing a lot of bills pertaining to schools. But unfortunately, in my view, the energy is being directed in the wrong direction. It's going towards legislation against trans kids. It's going towards censorship in classrooms. It's going towards things that really, they're not issues. They're just not issues. Now, I'll admit, schools have not always taught race as well as they could, but that's because a lot of the teachers in Georgia, they were taught a whitewashed version of history. When you look at their textbooks, they are whitewashed, and that's sad. So they have a bad understanding of racism in our state and in our country. And then on top of that, they're not giving a lot of training to speak on these subjects. So when they've been taught whitewashed history, and then they're not given a lot of training to speak on these subjects, how can we pounce on them and say that they're trying to teach people that they're oppressors and things of that nature? If we really want to solve this issue, we need to make sure that teachers are better equipped to teach on things like race. Because a lot of the examples that we're seeing in the news, the teachers will then say, oh, well, I was trying to teach about it, but I made a mistake. We should give these teachers more training so they can speak on these issues with clarity and compassion. Thank you.